So in today's video, we'll be discussing exercise 5.1, question 1, first bit. The question is, check whether the following are quadratic equations. X plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 into x minus 3. So for this equation, what you need to do is, you need to check if the degree is 2 or not. So let us check if degree is 2 or not. So this, if you observe on the left hand side, it is of the form a plus b whole square. You know what is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So open the left hand side equation. It becomes equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. And on the right hand side, open the bracket. 2 into x becomes 2x. 2 into minus 3 becomes minus 6. Now x square is as it is. 2x gets cancelled on both sides. You have plus 1 minus 6. If it goes that side, becomes plus 7. So here, since the degree is 2, we can say that the equation is a quadratic equation. So since degree is 2, given equation is quadratic. Given equation is quadratic. So LHS is as it is, x square minus 2x. You need to solve the RHS. Minus 2 into 3 becomes equal to minus 6. Minus 2 into minus x becomes equal to plus 2x, because minus into minus is plus. Now x square minus 2x is as it is, and plus 2x, if it comes this side, it becomes minus 2x. Minus 6, if it goes that side, it becomes plus 6x, which is equal to 0. So this becomes x square minus 2 plus 2 is 4. So minus 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now here the degree is 2, right? So it is a quadratic equation. So we can write, since degree is 2, equation is quadratic. Moving to the third bit, it is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So how to solve this equation? Since you have two brackets here, you have to multiply like this. First term into first term into second term. So x into x will give you x square, x into 1 will give you x. Similarly, you can multiply like this. It will be minus 2 into x and minus 2 into plus 1. So minus 2 into x will give you minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 will give you minus 2. Similarly, multiply for the RHS as well. So x into x becomes equal to x square, x into 3 becomes equal to 3x, and then minus 1 into x becomes equal to minus x, minus 1 into plus 3 becomes equal to minus 3. Now x square gets cancelled on both sides. Now here you can see that there is no coefficient which is having degree 2. So we can write, since degree is not 2, there is no coefficient which has degree 2. Degree is not 2. Therefore, the given equation is not quadratic. Equation is not quadratic. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equals to x into x plus 5. So here also you can open the bracket like this. First term into first term into second term. So x into 2x will give you 2x square. X into 1 is 1x. Then again second term into first term into second term. So minus 3 into 2x will give you minus 6x. Minus 3 into 1 will give you minus 3. Here first term into first term, x into x is x square. First term into second term, x into 5 is 5x. Now, if you solve this, you'll get 2x square plus x square. If it comes this side, becomes minus x square plus x minus 6x will give you minus 5x plus 5x. If it comes this side, becomes minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. So this becomes 2x minus x, 2x square minus x square will give you x square, minus 5x will give you minus 10x, minus 3 is equals to 0. So here also you see that the degree is 2. So what can I say? Since degree is 2, the given equation is quadratic. The equation is quadratic. So how will you open this bracket? Same, 2x into x will give you 2x square. 2x into minus 3 will give you minus 2 3s are 6x. Then minus 1 into x will give you minus x. Minus 1 into minus 3 will give you plus 3. X into x will give you x square. X into minus 1 will give you minus x. 5 into x will give you 5x. 5 into minus 1 will give you minus 5. Now, this will be x square is on the left right hand side, right? So what we'll do is we'll bring all of these terms which are there on the left side to the right side. So first of all, minus x plus 5x is there, right? So what will it become? Plus 4x. Now, bring the remaining x terms also on that side. So, and this is a 2x square, right? So yeah, plus 2x square, if it goes outside, becomes minus 2x square. Minus 6x minus x is minus 7x. Minus 7x, if it goes outside, becomes plus 7x. Minus 5 is as it is. Plus 3, if it goes outside, becomes minus 3 is equals to 0. So this becomes x square minus 2x square. Here the coefficient is 1, right? So this becomes minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 will give you minus 1x square. And 4x plus 7x will give me 11x. Minus 5 plus 3 is 8 is equals to 0. So here also degree is 2. So equation is quadratic. Now moving to the sixth bit. Here, to let the LHS be as it is, x square plus 3x plus 1 because we have no brackets. But if you see the right hand side, it is of the form a minus b whole square algebraic identity. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So compare what is a if x if you compare it is a, and what is b if you compare it is 2. So write it in this form, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it becomes x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. So this becomes x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x square minus 2 2s are 4x plus 4. Here also x square will get cancelled. So you don't have any coefficient with degree 2. So we can say since degree is 1, therefore equation is not quadratic. Therefore equation is not quadratic. If you observe the left-hand side, it is of the form of the algebraic identity a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab squared. So bring it in the RHS form where a is x and b is 2 if you compare. So this becomes x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square is equals to, if you see over here, 2x into x square will give you 2x cube, 2x into minus 1 will give you minus 2x. Now this becomes equal to x cube is as it is, 2 cube is 8, plus 3 2s are 6 into x square is x square, plus 3x into 2 square is 4 is equals to 2x cube minus 2x. Now why did I continue solving even though I had cube? Because 1 cube can get cancelled, but here cube is not getting cancelled. Why? Because here we have 1 as a coefficient and here we have 2 as a coefficient. So this becomes equal to x cube is as it is plus 2x cube, if it goes outside becomes minus 2x cube plus 6x square plus 3 4s are 12x minus 2x, if it comes this side becomes plus 2x plus 8 is equals to 0. So here we can see that the degree is 3. So we can write that since degree is not 3, therefore equation is not quadratic. Therefore equation is, not quadratic. Moving to the 8th bit, keep the LHS as it is, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Solve the RHS. Again, it is of which form? Same, it is of a minus b whole cube, which is a cube plus a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So compare it. A is what? X and b is what? 2. So you have to write it in the RHS form, which is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So it becomes x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is as it is, right? Which is equal to this. I'm striking off. Okay. Now write the RHS form, which is x cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square. So this becomes equal to x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, which is equal to x cube minus 8 minus 3 to the 6x square plus 3 into x is 3x, 2 square is 4, right? So now x cube will get cancelled on both sides. Here we have minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to minus 8 minus 6x plus 3 4s I will give you 12x, right? So plus 12x. Now if you solve this, you will get minus 4x square minus x minus 12x plus 6x plus 1 plus 8 is 9 is equals to 0. Your degree is not 2, right? So what can you write? Minus 4x square minus 13 plus 6. Minus 13 plus 6 will give you. So minus 7x plus 9 is equals to 0. And here you can find the right. Therefore, equation is not quadratic since degree is 3. Or you can write equation is not quadratic since degree is 2. So hope you have understood this video lecture. I'll be continuing with the series of these lectures. So if you find this video helpful, please share this video with your friends and also practice. Practice is must in maths. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all the best.
Like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon.